guys, so this is the VBA app that was assigned to us in Group 11 to design, and I would like to run you through how it works. Our app is one that is used to compute the heat of reaction of any reaction that the user would like to input. So when you open the Excel file, which I have done already, which contains the app, you can see this button here, which reads heat of reaction calculator app. So you can click on that to start, which I've done right now. So as you can see, you have a section designated for the reactants and their coefficients, as well as their products and their coefficients. The reactants and their products were limited to the compounds CH4, CO2, CO, NH2, N2, NH3, and CH3OH, and solid carbon. You can see them when I click on this, button. And if you want to move the list, you just click back on that same button. So yes, the app is limited to a maximum of 2 reactants and 2 products. Now it sets the default coefficients to 1s and 0s, as you can see, but you can change it if you need to. So let's just start with one example. Let's react solid carbon with hydrogen gas, which would produce methane. So you come here, you click on this button where the pointer is, you click on it, and then you select your solid carbon, which is down here. You go to the one for the second reactant, which is hydrogen gas. Click on it, and you know that the reaction will yield a product, which is methane gas. So select methane gas. Now you know that the coefficients of each two has been already set to 0. So let me try and change it to 1 and see what happens. So you change it to 1, and then you click on the calculate. See that it shows you that the reaction is not balanced, which was the first thing that you're supposed to check for every reaction. So you click OK, and then now you can change it. When you look at this particular equation, you realize that the H2 is supposed to have a coefficient of 2 instead of 1, which would yield the CH4 as your product. So let's change it to 2, and then click on calculate. See, it gives you your answer as negative 74.8 kilojoules. So we just click here, and let's try another reaction. Let's react nitrogen gas with hydrogen, the same hydrogen, to yield NH3 as a product. Now for this, let's just try and leave the reactants as we did for the first one and see whether it will work. You see, it yields the same results. That is, the reaction is not balanced. So you click on OK, either OK or this, the close button. So let me click on this one to balance the equation. I can bring Let me change this to 2, then change this to 3. See what happens. See that it will yield your answer as negative 92.2 kilojoules. So guys, yes, that's basically how the app redesign works. And if you want to clear everything, you just click on clear. If you want to close the application on itself, you can click close, or you can click close over there as well. Let me try clicking on this button, and yeah, it closes the app. Thank you.